Hello, my name is Matthew Enderly from MLEstudios.net, and today I'm going to show you how to make your own storefront for Buycraft. Buycraft, if you don't know what it is a awesome plugin for Bukkit. And obviously, if you don't know what Bukkit is, I'd pretty much leave this page. Basically, what I'm going to teach you in a nutshell is how to grab raw HTML code from Bukkit. And we're going to just slightly modify it, and we're even going to put some pictures on it and make it look much better like that. So we're going to make our own that looks very similar to mine here. Just like that. And it's actually a lot simpler than you think. Okay, so what we're going to do first off is a new package. And I'm going to do Apple. Okay. So we don't since Minecraft only lets you stack like 16 apples or something like that, I think. We're just gonna do apple x16, and we're gonna do currency USD. Price will go 0.12, so 12 cents per. Or wait, no, we can't do that. We have to go at least 30, so I'm gonna go 40. If you don't know, PayPal will automatically take out 30% or 30 cents out of any transaction that goes through, unless if you have a really high rank with them. We'll leave that at 0, and we're gonna put this under consumables, and we're gonna go /give name, and I gotta find out what the apple's ID is. So I go Minecraft, and we're gonna go like this. We're gonna find here. We're gonna go to items. Hopefully this will be in here. Apple, red apple, and okay. So I can do actually 64, but I'm not going to. And it is. Shoot, I think that's 260. I will just double check. Okay, so it is 260. Okay, so we're going to go back to this page. We're going to go 260, and then we're going to do 16. And you want to do 16 because you said that it's going to be 16 there. Okay, so then that's what it looks like right now. We got Apple, Apple X16, USD, 0.40, 0 consumables, and give name 26016. And then we're going to go add package. And oops, so I hit back so I don't have to retype it all, and then I do it, and then hit back again, and then I'm going to go back in here, look for another food. We're going to do cooked, or no, we'll find steak. I want to do a steak, so steak, that's bread, steak right here, 364. Okay, so then I'm going to go, I'll change that right away. 364. Then we go add package. Okay, so now in the consumables category, I have an apple and a steak. So okay, I got that done. Now you want to open up your storefront. Which, if you don't know how to get there, it is stored on buycraft.net / and then whatever your store. And then you would go to package categories, consumables, and there we go. So I got my food there. And now I need to get the code. So I hit Control U since I'm in Google Chrome, and any other browser is pretty much Control U. We need to scroll down so we can see the source, and we want to find right here. Look for H2 consumables category H2. So open and closing consumables category. And we want to go down just to the part where it says provider class block content. For me, it is at line 90, and it'll probably be different for you. And we're just going to select this whole entire text here. We're going to copy that. Okay, so I'm putting all mine into WordPress. I actually got to go to the right website. That's the old one. www.divinedynasty. That's divisions. It's a little big. There we go. Well, I'll make it bigger just so you can see it better. I'm going to go to store. And you're going to notice how I don't have food as a clickable icon. So I'm going to have to log in. And then I'm going to go to my dashboard. I'm using WordPress, and if you need any extra help on this, then what I'm going to show you, then just go ahead and ask me in a comment, or go to the bukkit.org forums and private message me. My name is Matthew Enderley. And okay, so we're going to go to pages. We're going to add a new page. Okay, and we're going to go and call it food. And right here, it's pretty simple. You would just paste in your code here. And yeah. Or you can do it differently, and we can make it look much nicer. We can open up Microsoft Expression Web 2 or any other visual HTML editing software you might have. If not, you can just skip this part and go to whatever the time will be. And I'm going to click no, and I'm going to go Control N. Okay, so I'm going to put in my source. I'm just going to kind of get rid of all that there, paste in my source, and go back to design. Okay, so you're going to see we already have what we want here. But now I want to put pictures for each of these. So I'm going to right click and do Insert, Row Above, left click, right click, Insert, Row Above. Just like that. And I'm going to do this differently. I'm just going to go put 4 ones in, just so I have something to select on WordPress. And then I'm going to select all of this here. I'm going to copy that. And then I'm going to go into my area here. Okay, visual. Okay, now you can see I have all this here. If you did not see what I did there, when you start up, you might be in the visual tab, and it might actually look like this. You gotta do show hiding kitchen sink. It is also Alt-Shift-Z, as in zoo, and then we hit HTML. Paste it in there. Go back to visual, and we get to change the image from that to the actual thing. So I'm going to upload insert from URL, and I'm going to find my red apple, copy image URL. I'm going to go back here, paste that in here, apple, and insert to post. There we go. I'm actually going to zoom out just so I can see it a little bit better. And then I'm going to do the same thing there. From URL, what else did I put? Steak. Okay. Copy image URL. Go back to first tab. Paste it in there. Steak. Insert to post, and there we go. Now I should be able to go publish. And I'm actually going to go down in the theme options, uncheck show in menu, and then I'm also going to go back into HTML. I'm going to go to the very beginning, hit enter, and then I'm going to just type in some random letters, go to visual, and we're going to go all items are stacked in 16 unless depicted. Okay, and what that means is that whenever someone's going to buy this, they will definitely get 16 unless if I say that apple is actually 45 instead of 16. Okay, so then we're going to go update, and then yeah, so we're going to copy, and we're going to go back to our store page. And this is actually just another table. And I will show you it in just a second. It's just a regular table that I made. And there's the code for it. Copy yourself if you want. And then I'm going to click on the picture, and I'm going to link it to my food page. And I'm also going to link this to my food page. Add a link, and there we go. Update. DivineDynasty.net. Store. And then click on food. And there we go. Now I get the items I want in there. And now if I do Matthew Enderley, and then I go, and it'll take me to the actual page that I want. And then I could click buy it now, and then I would get it. So that's pretty much the closing for that, and I will probably put all the code into a document or whatever and upload it. And about this theme, this is a theme I made myself. If you would actually like to have it on your website, you can purchase it for, I don't know, maybe $10 or something. It didn't take me that long to make, but it was a couple of retries since I kind of killed it a couple times. But yeah, thanks for watching, and hope this helped you out. So thanks, bye.